Out here Saturday morning at the FRIA. Got another vlog for the GB. So first time playing with CF, and it's a mess. So yeah, it completely frayed. I was worried about that, but yeah, you can see it, especially on the right wing. It's very bad. So this was a big experiment. I've done lamination before, but never with CF. So this weave is just terrible. So I need to probably reprint the wings. I'll probably just go out and crash this time. So, um, of course, I got the CG should be better, hopefully. I got a lot of nose weight. So, um, yeah. So I was talking to Grok about the wing loading. Oh, two dogs. Wow. Hello, two dogs. Yeah, I haven't seen those before. So, okay. Yeah. Yeah, those are new dogs. I guess they got them over there, but maybe they're strays. Okay, so anyway, back to my model. Um, yeah, I was talking to Grok about the wing loading, and this currently weighs 3.7 pounds, and it was telling me the wing loading is way too high. So it's like 40-mile-an-hour takeoff, most likely. So, but it kind of fits the GB. So I asked it about like a comparison with the GBs, and it said it was almost exactly, very similar to what the GB would be with a giant motor. And yeah, so yeah, I guess maybe they're from the junkyard over there. They may that's who Tony thought were the other dogs. The other dogs were from. They just let her wander around. I mean, they look in good condition, but they don't have collars. But neither do the other ones. So yeah, I don't like dogs. So especially if I'm trying to fly. So because I go in the goggles and it's like they come and jump up on me and stuff. That one black dog that I guess Tony didn't take that one dog would like kind of stalk me with when I have my goggles on. It would like come up to me and jump on me. So yeah, that all right. All right, so yeah, that's the plan. I'm just gonna take it off. We'll see what happens to it. And if it doesn't fly, then I probably have to reprint the wings. You can see all the reinforcement. I'll show all the reinforcement under the tail on the elevator, and then I reinforced one side of the skirt because this is structural. So the resin cured very well, but it's just a giant mess, as you can see. It looks so terrible. So yeah, I'm not going to be able to finish it like I would have wanted, like this, obviously. So I either have to, when I print it, I have to split it apart and uh, reinforce it inside, and then glue it back together. Possibly is a possibility. Or I got to figure out how to do the laminate. Like do it fully when I do it and sharply. I got some glue tack to keep the fibers together, so hopefully that'll work. So I need to test that out. Um, so yeah, it's a big mess. It's not gonna. It's terrible looking. If it flies, that's great, but I wanted to make a really nice model, and that's not gonna happen like this. So um, yeah, I fully anticipate crashing it, having to reprint everything. So, but the fuselage, I didn't do anything to. I added some screws to the hatch and everything. So I'm keeping it together with screws instead of glue. And everything's working, the flaps, ailerons. But yeah, the fuselage is the main important part, I think, that I did a lot of work to. Got to figure out how to maybe lower the weight on it a bit. But also the pants and the wheels, the way I currently have them are I'm sure where a lot of weight is coming from. So yeah. All right. I disintegrated. So it took off. It was flying, but I was full right aileron. I think I lost an aileron. Yeah, I hit, and an aileron came off. Oh man. Oh, that's why it was flying. It would have flown if the aileron hadn't came off.
It was trimmed like going that way a little bit.
Oh man, it would have flown. It was perfect. Oh, that sucks. It's a mess. I need a broom. Well, let me make sure the battery's not dead. Oh man, the prop disintegrated. That sucked. They're like $6 props. It's still working. Do I still have video? Oh, no video. That's not good. This is upside down. Yeah, I bet the video pulled out, but it's probably okay.
It's too bad you couldn't control it with one aileron.
Man.
Because usually you can fly with one aileron.
I should have given it full rudder.
And once it got upside down, it was...
Yeah. Yeah, I could have given. I don't think I gave it full right or left right rudder. I should have given it
to
full
try
right
to
rudder.
save it.
I should have seen. I should have.
Yes.
You said that that an aileron came off.
Yeah.
I should have like. Yeah, it's a left aileron that came off. Yeah, so it just went like that.
It went like this.
Oh.
It rotated like that and it clipped the dirt and it came off right when it clipped the dirt.
It was flying though. If the
Yeah.
aileron hadn't come off, it would have worked. Oh, it was perfect. Oh man, that blows. All right. Well,